Friends, finally the date sheet for the examination of class 10th and 12th has been released by CBSE, and the examination is starting from 4th of the May 2021. It is Tuesday, and the timing for the class 10th will be 10:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. and the first paper will be Odia, Kannada, Lepcha. But the important paper I just highlight, that is the first paper will be English language and literature, and whose code is subject code is 184, and that will be on the 6th May 2021, and the timing will be 10:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. The second important paper will be on Hindi. There will be two Hindi papers. One is with a code 002 and another with a code 085. That is Hindi course A and Hindi course B. Both will be on 10th of the May 2021. It means there will be a gap of 7th, 8th and 9th. 3 days gap will be there, and the timing will be same, 10:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. Now move to the next important. These are the other languages: Punjabi, German, Malayalam, French, Russian. Then next important paper will be of science theory and science practical. That will be code number 086 and code number 090. It means the science paper will be on the 15th May of 2021, and the timing will be same, that is 10:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. and it will be on Saturday. So here the English paper is on 10th May. Sorry, Hindi paper is on 10th May, and then the English paper, science paper is on the 15th May. So there will be 4 days gap, 11, 12, 13 and 14, and on 15th there will be a science paper. After that there is painting, National Cadet Corps, then curing, home science and other subject, and another important is of mathematics standard and mathematics basic. That paper whose code numbers are 041 and 241, that will be on Friday, that is 21st May 2021, and the timing will be same, 10:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. And so here the previous paper is of science and it is on 15th May, that is on Saturday, but your maths paper will be on 31st May 2021, that is on Friday. So here it is 15th, means 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So there will be a 5 days gap for the mathematics paper. Both will be held on the same time and same date, mathematics standard and mathematics basic. Now move to the next step. Now here this is Japanese and other languages are there. Then the next important paper will be of social science, and social science, its code is 087, and it will be on Thursday 27th May 2021, and the timing will be same, 10:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. and the rest of the papers will be on the provided dates. Arabic, Sanskrit, computer application, that will be on the 7th June 2021 Monday with the same time, that is 10:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Now move to the next page. The next page is important, where there are the notes given that the duration of time for each paper has been indicated in the date sheet. That what will be the duration of the time, that is indicated in the date sheet However, the duration of time for each subject and paper as given on the question paper be followed meticulously. Means that whatever the duration of time of each subject or the paper is given on the question paper, that is to be followed meticulously. That timing you have to maintain. Now answer books would be distributed to the candidates between 10 a.m. to 10:15 a.m. Remember this, the answer sheets will be distributed to the candidates between the time 10 a.m. to 10:15 a.m. and the candidates would write their particulars on the answer book. Means within this 15 minutes the candidate has to write their particulars, just as roll number, class and subject and everything, whatever is there asked, that information you have to fill within this 15 minutes. Then particulars shall be checked and signed by the assistant superintendent. Means after that the assistant superintendent will check the particulars and the question paper will be distributed at 10:15 a.m. Means after completion of the filling of the particulars of the student from 10 to 10:15 a.m. At 10:15 a.m. the question papers will be distributed, and then from 10:15 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. there are 15 minutes the candidate shall read the question paper. This is very important, that at the from time 10:15 when you receive the question paper to 10:30 a.m. means this is the timing of 15 minutes, and during this 15 minutes you have to read the question paper. This is to read the question paper, that which questions you can solve easily. You can decide whether to solve first last section, third section, second section, or which section you have to solve first. That you have to decide after reading this. So the 15 minutes time is given to you to read the question papers. Then candidates would plan proper strategy to write the answer, because within this 15 minutes you can plan your strategy how to solve the question paper. If there are 4 sections A, B, C and D, then whether to solve D section first or C section first, or whatever the strategy you have to follow after looking at the paper, after going through the questions within that 15 minutes, that you can decide, and so the strategy can be decided within that 15 minutes. Then at 10:30 a.m. candidates will start writing the question paper. Means actually your paper will start at 10:30 a.m. means from 10:30 a.m. your timing will start, and whatever the time will be there, whether it is 3 hours or 2.5 hours, that will be maintained from 10:30 a.m. So you have to start writing your paper at 10:30 a.m. No inquiries about date of declaration of results shall be attended to. For updates, please visit the CBSE website, that is cbse.nic.in. If you require any updates, you can visit the CBSE website, and there you will get all the details. So friends, finally you got the timetable, timings and the dates for your papers. Now you can start your preparation accordingly. You can decide your strategy, how to complete your syllabus, how to complete the revision, and which topic or which lesson or which subjects to be completed first, then next and then next. Now here, with best wishes, I stop here. And I hope you all will come out with flying colors, because you must have worked hard and still you have got sufficient time to cover your complete syllabus. Thank you very much.